This is Bailey sleeping with my son every night. This is Wesley. Wesley's 6 years old. And Wesley's taking very good care of Bailey. They spend all their time together in his room. There's Bailey's water in a food bowl. Bailey's completely house trained. This is Wesley's room, and Bailey can get around without any problem. He's always on his own, very independent, and when Wesley goes to school, Bailey will go upstairs to the garden to use the bathroom and to play a little bit, and come back down and hang out in the room, wait for my son to get off school. He's not afraid of loud noises, not afraid of TV or anything like that. Such a nice, gentle dog. Bailey, good boy, go to sleep, okay? Wesley's already sleeping. Good night. Good night, boys.